Day 2. What are we doing? Mammoth Cave. Yeah, baby.
Shit on my arm. I don't know, but that motherfucker hurt. We were riding from it on.
Let me see you.
Fucking cavemen and shit?
4,000 years ago.
That's a lot. No, there was only 2,000 years ago. So, like...
We on the rock now, boy.
Dude, the bat's gonna get fucking brown nose from that.
Probably.
This is how you die.
We've been, oh my goodness gracious.
There's water. The site marks the end of the canyon passage. If a large pile of rocks at the end were excavated away, you would see a small valley on the other side. Originally, this large section of cave was much longer, but the weather can run from the valley outside.
I should eat that bacon, egg, and cheese.
There's a mine shadow. Lava and water. Damn pocket beer. I had the pocket beer in my butt cheeks out. I remember. That's fucking hilarious.
So do you own the government if you trip and fall out here?
That's what I'm saying. I was saying if I hit my head down there, we're getting the settlement out the national park.
Take them all off.
You know, we did talk about a Brokeback Mountain kind of thing, so I was just thinking.
I wasn't part of that conversation.
Well, I'll go back and you can break whatever you want.
Let me see them shoes. Hey, flex them up for me.
What are those?
Dude, this is gonna be me breathing heavily. That's all it is.
No. We probably would have found this shit 10 more times.
You guys ever play Skyrim?
Yeah, so we saw the end of that cave.
They wouldn't be sleeping right now.
Hey Zach,
Huh.
truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to jump off.
Man, that's a federal crime.
It's against
What are they gonna charge him with?
What are they charging me with?
There's a sign. It says it's against the Endangered Species
Can you
Act.
charge a deceased person with
That's what I'm
unlawful
saying.
acts?
Is it alive?
Nope. I'll put him back where he was.
You gotta bury him.
On the table. I can't dig up a national forest.
Sure you can.
Fucking bourbon.
We got the guy down. These fucking loud ass Harleys. Day 2 vlog update. Corvettes. Bunch of Corvettes. Corvette Museum.
Somebody we looked up to. He changed our life for real.
Really?
Yeah, he turned us up. He used to take us like out of town shopping, He had all cars.
Gang,
He just
gang. Update. 2:02 p.m. day 2. We've gone 30 whole miles. But we did go to the Corvette Museum.
That was lit.
I'm tired.
Alright, update vlog. Just left the parking lot. We were parked right there when we last updated.
2:02, I think.
2:02? Alright, well, now we're looking at 2:06. And yeah, this is about how far we gotta go. We're getting there.
Man, scoot up, brother. Alright, well, we're here.
That's what happens when you drive a bike.
.331. 3 hours away. I think we made it a whole motorcycle fuel tank of fuel without stopping. We getting better. See you in another 3 hours. Show me the time. 4:36. 2 hours away. I wish we were there right now.
Alright. Got 7:02. 55 minutes, 55 miles to go.
We suck.
Yeah.
We definitely suck at this. Bridge flock, bridge flock, bridge flock. We made it. I don't know what time it is, but I got a meat stick. I was hungry, so I did not film the entrance. I'm gonna show you how awful we are attracting all the bears.
But do we have an oven there?
Alright, Steve, what you got going?
Yo, I got my steak going. It's looking pretty tasty, I'm not gonna lie.
It actually is looking pretty good.
Yeah.
I cooked a whole ass T-bone cut up in there. Wade's got some meat going. Is it cooked?
Oh yeah.
We can zoom on that. I don't know what the fuck that is. Is that medium? Everyone's cutting shit
medium.
up.
It's kind of cooked too much.
This is the inside of my steak. Bears don't
It's a little
exist.
overdone.
Bears don't exist. Let's see what we got going on over here.
It'd be very hot.
All right, what you got going over here, Zach?
Well, you see, we had a fire going, and then Michael wouldn't let me cook on it. So I have half a steak on the fire that I made for him to cook his full fucking course meal. Oh, that's cool. It is. So we're cooking currently at about, how cold is my steak?
This is engineering.
Shit, my steak is not cooked yet.
Here, hit my meat stick. What's my meat stick at?
Where's my knife?
Oh, it's all 108 there.
108.
111.
I'm getting food poisoning. God.
Ah, you're fine.
Our steak is
I'm
very
gonna take another bite of the meat stick.
How hot is that side of the steak? That's edible.
Yeah, that's over 200.
degrees. That's edible.
I'm pretty sure you're just getting like radiant heat off the pan.
Probably.
No, I mean,
It's cooking it. Huh.
it's cooled down some, but those potatoes, on the other hand, those are pretty cold. You get to show the coldest.
What the
I
fuck?
could use that to start the fire.
Yeah, I can't get. I don't want to get too close to the fire to get to show the cold spot well.
You finish them off? Let me see what you got going.
You put more on here?
I'm gonna finish my last piece. I'm gonna finish my vlog though, you know.
You can shut this off.
Alright.
What you could do is chop up the steak really small, turn that bitch up, and fucking make seared steak
Cubes.
tips.
Alright. There's Steve's steak. Dude, Wade. Your steak looks a little soft.
Dude, they're fucking good.
No, I bet it's fucking Pennsylvania rare.
Dude, no, it's medium rare.
Bro, zoom in on that one right there.
Medium about that.
Dude, he gunned this motherfucker's head. Come over here.
That bitch medium?
Yeah.
Medium, that's blue.
one
That,
we
that
look
one
at?
right there, look at
Bro, that shit fucking raw.
It's also been off for 10 minutes.
How's this one?
Yeah.
looking?
that. Yeah, what's that one at?
How do I turn this thing on?
What are you
hot
cooking?
point at like 120.
I'm gonna cook one
Yeah,
of the
don't you
small
have the
ones.
pan?
Yeah,
It's fine.
it's fine.
I mean, I could cook in that pan,
Have you
right?
guys never seen
Oh.
Liver
Because
King?
I gotta make
Man,
this
I
last
got-
3 more
make it,
days.
yeah, make
with
it.
my-
I think mine
do you
looks
think?
like that too, Wade. We're good.
I mean, if you
It's so
need
good.
it.
Well, I should be
Don't
able
you got
to-
a piece in here?
I have a piece in there, yeah. If I don't eat the whole steak, it's all good.
I mean,
cook
it'll
eventually.
probably stay hot for a while, right?
Yeah. Just make it
I mean, if you need it, just let me know. I'll try it.
well, once Michael gets his piece of meat out of there.
I mean, it's boiling. So it's hot.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Boiling your potatoes will help them cook.
Alright, I'm walking in the dark. Alright. What do we got going on over here?
Spaghetti meatball.
Man, you should try the sink shower. Not bad.
The Zoe did?
Just my head though, but I feel so much cleaner.
Okay, what you got
Should
going?
get
What is this?
sponsored by them. Out of all things.
Spaghetti meatballs. Potato salad. Let me get it all that. That actually looks pretty good.
That's not the worst steak I've ever had.
Not a high bar, but you know.
Oh, did you grab my cigar too?
It's not, we didn't have the heat cut to it, but we had to.
Yeah.
Do you need the cut or did you already
How
cut?
cold was that?
There you go. Get tap in that way.
Oh shit, I'm gonna do that too. This man's a goddamn genius.
You looking good here?
Yeah, that's good. You can put it right there.
Watch yourself, you're gonna burn yourself. Oh, that smells good.
Don't forget about
It's
your
not one
steak.
to light.
Well, it needs to cook for a minute. I don't like.
Dude, you got half the motherfucking cigar.
Can I?
The center's not lighting.